everyone. This is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and my kids said this is the best thing I've made yet. So we are going to make raspberry cheesecake sliders. You're going to need to have the bulk Baker's Basic mix for this, okay? I'm going to show you how to make a week's worth at a time. So what I did is I got some Philadelphia cream cheese. I ended up warming it just to soften it so I can blend it. Now I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of sweetie, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. This is how you make the cream cheese frosting, remember? And then a 1/4 cup of half and half. So if I blend this, that's my cream cheese frosting. The only thing I'm gonna do different is add raspberries to it. So I'm gonna put about a cup of raspberries. Okay, that's probably a cup. Guys, man, this is so good. Like, you can just eat this and not stop. Okay, so there's my frosting. Now I'm gonna make the crust part. So what I did is I did a stick of butter. I melted a stick of butter, and all I'm gonna do to it is add 1 cup of Baker's Basic. See that? See how it creates like a graham cracker crust? Here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get these little containers, put them out like this, and I'm just gonna put this in the bottom of each one. Just put a little bit at the bottom, and then you take a spoon. Remember, when you put this in the fridge, it's gonna get hard, okay? So you don't have to worry about it being runny like this. And these are so good, guys. What I do every night, I make raspberry cheesecake sliders, and then I make chocolate cheesecake sliders. And I have one of each every night, and that's part of my mix for the day. Okay. Just add some whipped cream. And I'll make the rest in a minute. And then I'm gonna just add some of these white chocolate chips. So it's basically white chocolate raspberry cheesecake sliders. Look at that, guys. They're so delicious. I can't tell you how good these are. Okay, guys? So that's how you meal prep. It literally took me no time to do this. You saw me do it. So come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Or you can order online at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, just go on YouTube and type Healthy Treats Market, subscribe, and watch all the videos you like. Thanks for watching. God bless you.